Number 23. Which statement correctly explains the difference in concentration of glucose in the kidney tubule between X and Y? Okay, if you look at X here and Y here, in between there's kidney tubule. So kidney tubule absorbs or reabsorbs what is needed for the body, and our body loves glucose. And when the kidney tries to reabsorb the glucose molecules, they do that even if we have a lot of glucose in our body. So even if the glucose concentration is high in our body and relatively low in the kidney, they reabsorb them using active transport. Okay? So the glucose concentration should be higher in X than Y, because if there is, like, let's say 100 of glucose molecules, then almost all of them gets reabsorbed, and Y has like almost no glucose molecules. So the glucose concentration is higher at X than at Y, because glucose has been actively transported out of the kidney tubule. So B is the right answer for this. Okay?